Hello, this is Shujat Bin Ali, Chairman for the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, Hyderabad chapter. Institute of Company Secretaries of India is celebrating ICSI Capital Markets Week from 23rd April to 27th April as an objective to promote investor awareness and also to provide the capital market growth opportunities and to promote this message what exactly the institute is doing and help the investors understand the various concepts in the capital market. So on this occasion, today we are doing a full day seminar on SME exchange and listing, which would focus on the SME exchanges and the listing. The key aspect of this seminar is to talk about how SME companies, I mean small and medium enterprises, can raise the capital. One of the ways to raise the capital is the debt and through the banks, and another option is to raise through the equity. So far they never had an opportunity to tap the equity market. So as you are all aware, recently Bombay Stock Exchange has started an SME exchange platform. So it is inaugurated recently in the last month, that is March. So in this occasion, we want to talk about the SME exchange. So today's program is organized to detailed discussions, and there are a lot of company secretaries who are participating in this. Company secretaries are the key professionals who would be providing services to SMEs in raising the capital, both in the debt and equity. So since this being an equity market, the professionals are assembled here to understand the intricacies of SME exchange and listing and help the SME clients to raise finances. So we have a very eminent panel who would be discussing this morning. We have the BSc SME CEO, Mr. Lakshman himself, who would talk about the SME exchange, the advantages, the benefits, and the various options to raise the capital, and what is the regulatory landscape about the SME exchange. And obviously, we'll talk about the benefits as well. To give more perspective, we have called eminent personalities like Mr. Kutumba Rao, who would talk about the stock market and investors' perspective. We have Mr. Namashivayam from Zen Securities, who will give a broker's perspective as to how this SME exchange can give value to the investors. At the end of the day, we are talking about giving value to the investors and value to the SMEs. So that is something which we'll cover, and we also have